Hello, how are you? So, today I'm here to discuss how we can choose a right school for our children and what points we need to keep under consideration before choosing a school for our child. Okay, so before I begin, please watch the complete video so that you can get the complete guideline of how to choose a school for your child. So, choosing the right school for your child is a critical decision that significantly impacts their educational journey and overall development. With so many factors to consider, it is important to approach the decision with a clear understanding of your child's need and your family priorities. Here's a guide that I will be giving you to navigate this process effectively. Okay, so the most important part, there are few points I will be discussing, but you have to keep watching the video till the end so that you can know what aspects you have to keep in point. So number one is understand your child's need. Every child is unique and their needs will vary based on their personalities, learning style and interests. So you need to consider learning style. Does your child thrive in structured environment or do they excel with more flexibility? Special needs. If your child requires additional support, look for schools with special need or special education program. Interests. Consider whether the school offers extracurricular activities or programs that align with your child's hobbies and talents. So you have to consider the learning style of a school, how they teach. Are they play based or are they, they have a very strict structured learning? Is your child, they need additional support, or they learn or grasp concepts easily, or they need more one-on-one attention, or they need more hands-on activities, and what interests your child? These all aspects are very important that you need to keep under consideration before choosing a school. Okay, so then it is define your priorities. Your family values, your practical needs play a crucial role in a school selection. Think about academic philosophy, location, community and culture. So number one, academic philosophy. Are you looking for a traditional academic or a project based learning or a Montessori approach? You need to decide that first. It means you have to see what interests your child most. If they are more into play based activity learning, then you have to go for that type of school which offers play based learning. Or you're looking for traditional academics where your child is being just pushed to learn and they have to do it by the end of the day. So you have to think about that first. Location, how far you're willing to commute. Would you prefer something very close by, or you're comfortable sending your child to far off area? Then it is about community and culture. Ensure the school's environment align with your family values such as diversity, inclusivity or religious teachings. These are the aspects we need to keep in mind before we send our child to school, because obviously the culture difference does not synchronize as well. Research school options. Start by making a list of schools in your area and gathering information about them. Public, private, or charter. Decide what suits you best and your budget. Okay, school rating. See what parents have to say about their school they're sending their child to. Number one, how you can check is that you can go to a school, meet the children there, meet the parents, and you can I personally think that during the break time is the best time when you can go into a school and observe what's going on, how the child is behaving, like children are behaving, how they're communicating, how they're interacting, everything. So break time is the best time to see how a school is performing on a child's development. School ratings. Review school performance metrics and parent review on platforms like Great Schools or state education websites. All schools have pages and websites, so you can easily check on their websites or pages. Accreditations and curriculum. Check if the school follows recognized standards and offers a curriculum that aligns with your expectation. You have to see what curriculum the school is offering, because obviously your child needs to synchronize or align well with it. Visit and observe. Once you've shortlisted a potential visit to get a first hand look. Then, tour and facilities. Assess classroom sizes, overall cleanliness, what are they providing you. Meet the staff, talk to the teacher and administration to understand their teaching philosophy and commitment towards the students and to how they assess this child. Observe the class, how beautiful or how interactive the class boards and walls are. Pay attention to teacher student interaction in the classroom and dynamics of the classroom. Okay, so these are the aspects which you need to observe when you visit the school. Most and my favorite, consider extracurricular activities. A well rounded education includes opportunities beyond academics. So, look for art and sport programs, ensure school supports creative and physical activities and development. Clubs and societies, check for options like robotic, drama, debate, dance, music that encourage teamwork. Then there are lots of new things: STEM lab, Taekwondo, Zumba, and whatnot. Then you have to consider the review cost and financial aid. For private school, they are expensive. The tuition fee is more vast, and you can explore scholarship opportunities or financial aid options. Don't forget to factor in additional cost for uniform, transportation, extracurricular activities, and obviously after school activities of your child. Most importantly, involve your child in the decision. You, by the end of the day, it's your child who will be going to school, so you have to consider what they like and which school they like most. Take them along when you visit to the schools. If appropriate for the age, involve your child in the process. Their input can provide valuable insight into where they might feel most comfortable and engaged. Then you have to seek feedback from other parents, which I have discussed earlier. Trust your instinct. What you feel or your instinct is telling you is definitely going to help you choose the right place for your child. By following these steps, you can confidently choose a school that nurtures your child's growth and prepares them for future success. Remember, the perfect school is the one your child feels comfortable in and feels happy, supported, and inspired to learn. So, I hope this video was enough for you to decide how you can choose a school for your child. And there will be next time, I probably will be doing a activity based video. So, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much.